Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who controls the Bollywood song and why that matters. Labels, composers, and publishers each hold different rights. Once you identify the owner, locate a clean audio source such as stems, an instrumental, or a licensed master so you can clearly define what you need to license. Make sure to decide whether you will use it as background music, a cover, a remix, or a full performance, because that choice changes which rights and licenses you must obtain. Next, you secure the necessary licenses and clearances. Start by requesting a sync license from the rights holder for visual use. If you perform or reproduce the composition, obtain mechanical or cover rights and any performance licenses required by collecting societies. Once done, negotiate terms covering territory, duration, revenue split, and how YouTube Content ID claims will be handled so you avoid monetization surprises. Make sure agreements are written and specify whether Finally, you publish the video with the license metadata attached and upload any copyright documents to YouTube to reduce automated claims. After publishing, monitor Content ID and copyright notices. If a wrongful claim appears, use the platform's dispute or counter notice process and reference your license. If problems persist, escalate with written demand to the claimant and keep your contracts and receipts handy so you can provide proof. If needed, consult an entertainment lawyer to enforce your rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.